not to take the trade, but I had a really good profitable day. So, and again, speaking about the appetite, you really want to control your appetite. So, both NVIDIA and TSLL, very solid moves that I got, and you take some really solid profit.
If the labor market is getting stronger, then the Fed won't be as quick to cut. So I don't know.
All right, AMD has big orders too, 20. AMD is interesting. SXL is popping up. AMD daily chart is kind of meh.
AMD looks AMD is looking kind of interesting. Nvidia is looking interesting. PLTR is red.
Markets all-time high, very close to all-time high, huh? Yeah, 698 is the all-time high.
For the SPY, yeah. Yeah, there's a couple things here that now look at Nvidia's looking
Yeah,
spicy.
it's very
So is
strong.
AMD. I think one or two of the one or either one of those could be a play out of the gate.
All right, NVIDIA is already running up. It was a really good order at 193.
Oh, look at Nvidia. Nvidia's ripping. So is AMD. So is the SPY. So are the Qs. So is Apple. Apple's breaking out too. Okay. 1 minute. Uno minuto.
All right, so 1 minute to the open, guys. Brian, what are you mainly watching? NVIDIA is really nice.
Oh yeah,
Atlas, great.
Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia or AMD. I think the SPY is a new high here in the pre-market.
All right, good morning, BBT. It's going to be an amazing day.
Should be. Yeah, Tesla looks good too. Okay, ding, ding, ding. Here we go.
All right, so let's see what NVIDIA is doing. Selling off now. We do have orders at 193 still. Could be a good long for 193.
They got long on that pullback.
Not a bad idea. I'm gonna add me too. 192.45. There you go. Went up. Let's see if we can get 193. 194. Nice order. Let's see if we can get there. Tesla popped up too.
Yeah, I was thinking Tesla was looking pretty good too. AMD is struggling.
All right, so I'm long in NVIDIA, guys, for the break of 193, hopefully 94. There you go, it popped up.
There we go. Gonna,
Hold. Nice.
diddly doodly. There we go.
Thanks, Brian, for the good trade. Nice.
Nice.
If we can hold it, it can go to 194. That would be nice.
Yeah, I sold some at sold calls at $3. I'm trading 192.50s expiring end of the week.
Yeah, so I'm really looking forward 194. So we broke the 193. Haven't partial yet. Daily chart. Daily chart is really interesting toward 194. Maybe I should have partialed.
Yeah, I've partialed a fair amount already. I'm just worried about how extended we are, and the Qs and SPY have kind of stalled. Okay, I'm getting out of the rest because it's getting close to my break even. All right, now Tesla's looking pretty good. Wow.
Tesla, yeah, Tesla is pretty strong. Tesla is the place to be.
Yeah, I was toying with the idea of either going long with Tesla or long with Nvidia.
All right, let's see what we're gonna get with NVIDIA. Most likely it's gonna get stopped out. But Tesla, yeah, Tesla is really clear. Orders on Tesla, 435.
Yeah,
Very
Tesla.
clear.
Yeah. Holy crap, man! This was where I should have been. Fuck.
Yeah, Tesla is gonna go to 435. Very beautiful.
Yeah, 435. There's an order there.
It's gonna go to 435 like a boss.
I see it pull back. Maybe I'll try and take an entry if it pulls back a bit. Yeah, AMD is struggling. So is Nvidia now.
All right, beautiful.
It's
Tesla,
not pulling back.
Tesla is clear until 440. Wow. Now 436, 438, we have orders.
Yeah, there's a big one at 440.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm still long NVIDIA, but I'm losing my hope.
Yeah, I'm not liking Nvidia price action anymore. So I'm kind of glad I'm out of it.
Shopify is hitting the scanner. Yeah, 5 minutes now is not really great. Hasn't lost the VWAP, but it's definitely not something that you want to be in there. 195 is still a big order on NVIDIA. Tesla could be a good place to add. I'm going long TSLL 1730. See if I can actually be a long position on Tesla. Let's see if NVIDIA can also make a move.
SPY and Qs are selling off. We're down to the VWAP.
NVIDIA looks like it wants to go. Let's see if you can go for the 193 one more time. TSLL is going 1740 and partialing some at 1741 in TSLL. Yeah, NVIDIA is definitely struggling.
Yeah, careful. The market's looking a little weak. We'll see if these we hold the VWAP here, but it doesn't looks like we're dropping from there.
Yeah. I'm getting out of my TSLL, so I gotta stop that on my TSLL. Yeah, NVIDIA is also very bad 5 minutes, so
I'm short the Qs. 615s puts.
Tesla is pulling back.
Go back above the VWAP here. I'll get out. Wasn't a great entry.
All right, I'm gonna get out of my NVIDIA trade. I think NVIDIA has a chance to come back up, but if it comes above 192.50, I might get back in there. It's just the longer that it stays here, it just bothers me.
It looks like it's going to drop.
Yeah, I just didn't get a really clear break through it. And sometimes happens.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Tesla is pulling back. Oh, Microsoft is selling off.
Yeah, look at Tesla drop. Wow. PLTR is dropping. There they go, the Qs.
Tesla still has the big order at 440.
Okay, I'm still short the Qs.
God, the rats. So 435 is the level right now on Tesla. I'm gonna get a long through TSLL. See if you can go back to 435. I put a stop loss at 1705, so 1715 is my line. I want to see if you can actually get. I want to see if I can get back to 435.
Excuse me.
So 435 is the near high of the day on Tesla. And then after that 436, and then potentially we can break out. What I like about Tesla is the daily chart. Daily chart is way more clear than NVIDIA. TSLL has more room. See if we can get back to the high of the day. NVIDIA is selling off.
I'm just going to sell some Qs here, some of the puts. we might just hold here. Yeah, so I'm out of the rest.
Right, let's see if it's the 435 on Tesla is going to go. It's probably would be near 1735. NVIDIA is selling off.
Yeah, Nvidia's selling off more.
AMD is trying to come back up. What's AMD book look like? Atlas. Not super great. All right, Tesla looks like it's going up. All right, Tesla took the 435. Now half the day is at 436. I'm long through TSLL, guys. I like Tesla daily chart.
I'd be worried about a double top here on Tesla.
Yeah. Gonna get another long on NVIDIA, 191.65. Let's see if NVIDIA is changing the course back, comes above the VWAP toward that 195 that we had. All right, yeah, NVIDIA is now 193, 193.50. Okay, nice. Nice. Let me add a little bit more on NVIDIA, guys. See if we can go to 193. We're still long on TSLL as well, guys.
Feels like we're going to get into a chop fest here.
All right, NVIDIA looks like it's squeezing. Let's see if we can break this 192.50. As you see the orders, look at my market atlas. I'm actually recording this one too, so for a conference in Vegas. See if we can break the 193.50, 193. I'm partialing now here because I had the loss, so I want to make the profit. Nice. Oh, beautiful. And NVIDIA. Nice, guys. See the
And
how
nice
they
break high of day. Yeah.
Very nice. All right. TSLL is going up to 1735. Yeah, 194 now is very clear. Again, so see, this is the area that I hope to get through. TSLL, I'm partialing some here at 1733. But Tesla is very similar patterns. Hopefully that it can break the high of the day. If I want to go to Tesla. If I zoom out on Tesla a little bit, let's see what's happening. 1736 is a level, which is near high of the day. Obviously through TSLL, we want to get that 1740. My stop loss on TSLL is at break even, around 1720. NVIDIA is going to go through 193 as we expected. Now 194 is the NVIDIA coming. Nice. So
I'm long some Qs just because it just looks like we're rocking here. To the upside. just taking some off.
Lovely. Yeah, we're sharing some more TSLL 1735. Let's see now NVIDIA is rejecting the high of the day, but my entry is good and I have orders at 194 and 195. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold it.
Well, that was a big pop and drop. Whew. AMD is going through yesterday's high now. AMD is rocking.
I saw it. Oh yeah, I saw AMD as well. All right, NVIDIA is coming back. So even though NVIDIA did nice rejection, sorry, break of high today, but it might reject. So still we have the orders 194, 195. Zooming out, yeah, we don't have a lot of things down there, but again, it's not only the orders, the price action also has to follow. So I might get out of it if it comes to VWAP. TSLL. Let's take a look at Tesla. 436 is a level. Obviously 436 is near high of the day. My trades would be 1790.
Still an order at 440 on Tesla.
Yeah, there are some beautiful levels at 436, 437 as well. Nice. Okay, so he's gonna go. Tesla. Come on, 436, break the 436. All right, NVIDIA, I'm getting out of NVIDIA, guys. I had a very nice trade on NVIDIA. I'm all out of NVIDIA.
I'm flat right now. I don't have any positions on.
That would be nice if Tesla can break the 436, so I have this recording for presentation. That would be really nice.
Yeah, PLTR was short at the open. You could tell it was kind of it was really weak going into the open.
I can actually put some orders up there in case the price goes there. SPY is just below the VWAP with a small gap up.
Yeah, it's dropping again. We're at low of the session on the SPY.
This is my break even on Tesla. AMD was
Let's
like
go.
morphing as well. All right, let's see if Tesla is stop me out or it's going to give me some nice breakout toward 436. And again, I'm trading it through TSLL, which is a 2 times leverage ETF. All right, most likely I'm going to get a stop loss.
I shorted the SPY trading. I'm just trading 2 SPX puts, 69.70s. I sold one. I think we're heading lower.
No, I'm not long NVIDIA, guys. I got out of it.
I wish I had more now.
Yeah, I'm getting out of my obviously the TSLL trade, guys. It was a nice trade. I did make some profit, but it seems that the price action is not really supporting. Looking at SPY obviously is not strong. Qs are definitely not strong. So looking at both of these, I decided to